Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer Placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong mid-December. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Yes, opo, and kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yeah, if you're interested sa ating mga items, so we have protection, okay, from evil eye, yan. Meron din tayong love bracelet, okay, meron tayong granter. So si granter will help you manifest faster, okay? And meron din siyang mga minamanifest for you. Syempre, dun lang tayo sa good, no? Kahit hindi mo alam na kailangan mo pala yun, siya na magpa-provide, okay? And syempre, yung ating cord cut, okay? Pang cord cut, o sa mga nangangailangan ng, okay, tama na to, ayoko na neto, kailangan ko ng alisin to, so ito siya. Okay, yun po yun, ha? Si cord cutting. Okay, so let's see. Let's start with general. Okay, general muna ngayong mid-December for you, Cancer yan. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's for you? What's for you, Cancer? Okay. The Queen of Swords in reverse. Why? What's that? Queen of Swords in reverse. The Five of Wands. Okay. So, merong mga issue like legal issues na pwedeng ma-fix. Meron din dito makikipag-ayos. Okay, someone will reach out in general. Okay, so who's this? Who is this Queen of Swords in reverse? Pwedeng Libra. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. We have here fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Who is this Queen of Swords in reverse? The High Priestess in reverse. Some of you, tinaguan ka nito. Okay? Sabihin nating nagsinungaling. Okay? Anyway. Iba sa inyo, ha? Itong taong to pwedeng pinataro mo. Okay? Napaka-specific nun. Pinataro mo siya. I don't know kung anong merong issue. Okay, some of you, this is talking about infidelity or something lang na pwedeng there's this energy of mali pagdating sa relasyon. May gumagawa ng mali pagdating sa relasyon, something like that. May ganong energy. Okay, pwedeng makikipag-ayos. Okay, yeah. So what else? What else for you, Cancerian? The Emperor. The Emperor, the Empress. What's with this Emperor? The Magician. Wow. Okay. So, it's like lahat ng tools na sa'yo to manifest. Kailangan lang talagang gawan or dagdagan ng effort. Okay? Some of you, kung anong minamanifest mo pagdating sa work, business mo, mga pinagkakaabalahan mo, something like that, may chance na merong sabihin nating mag-grant. Okay, lalo na yung may mga granter dyan, ha? Yes. Okay, some of you, this is like a surprise. Okay, yeah, see? The Three of Cups, energy ng success, energy ng victory. Some of you, this is like a promotion or biglaan na promotion. Wala kang ka-idea. Some of you, you're under evaluation. Okay? So, what else? Cancer. The King of Cups. Are you manifesting love? Some of you are manifesting. Okay? There's this person. Okay? Someone will offer. Yeah, the King of Cups. What's with that? Ooh. There's this potential. Pagdating sa, sabihin nating magandahang relasyon. Okay? The King of Cups and the Six of Cups. Some of you may makikilala ka. someone na pwedeng talagang makakasama mo or talagang makakarelasyon mo ng sabihin nating totohanan. Okay? Magagawa mo to kung ikaw itong parang makakaalis sa isang cycle. Okay? I think your person, yung talagang para sa'yo, ready na. Parang ikaw na lang hinihintay ni universe. Okay? Hindi niya to ibibigay sa'yo actually. Kung hindi ka pa ready. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong parang bibigyan ng mga test, no? Challenges ni universe. Lalo na pagdating sa love. Because I think this is love. Okay? Kasi ile-level up ka na eh. Okay? Maybe. Yeah. So, siguro, no? Meron ditong energy na pwedeng someone will give forgiveness. Parang ganyan. Meron na makikipag-ayos kung ano man. Okay, sabihin natin, okay, so ito is tama na, okay, ready na ako, or whatsoever, mga ganong bagay, like, closure, parang ganon. So, magkakaroon na ng pagkakataon na parang, okay, I have to face muna, no, new challenges sa buhay ko, for me to grow, for me to improve. Parang ganon, okay, and then, ang paparating, this is general, pero nakakuha ko ng love dito. So, I have to say it. Okay? So, nagsusumigaw ang love dito eh. Anong gagawin natin? Gagawin nating pera. I can't. Oo, hindi. Wala naman ako makuhang pera dito eh. Kung this is pera, sabihin nating talagang mamahalin mo lang ng totohanan talaga, no? At yayakapin ng matindihan ng yung mga ginagawa sa ngayon. Okay? Mas lalo mong mamahalin yung trabaho mo if ever. Kung may business ka, mas lalo mong pagbubutihin, mas lalo mong pagkakaingatan. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Ayun ang nakikita ko for you in general. So, tayo ito muna. Yun lang. Okay. The person. Okay? The person on your mind, Cancer. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cancer. Who is this person? The person on your mind, Cancer. Who is this? Who are they? The Five of Cups. Pwedeng pinanghinayangan mo. Okay. Or the Five of Cups. The Page of Wands. In reverse. Some of you, lagi na lang may failure. Lagi na lang meron ditong false start. Yeah, the Three of Swords. I don't know. Pwedeng nangihinayang ka sa kanya or vice versa. Pwedeng merong nangihinayang dito pagdating sa connection kasi parang hindi tama. Hindi tama yung tao, or maybe hindi tama yung timing, the situation maybe. Meron ditong something na pinagre-regretan or parang pinanghihinayangan. Sayang, gusto ko pa naman siya. Parang ganun. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng third party. Okay? Pwedeng third party to. Itong taong to. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Pwedeng iniyakan mo to. Iniyakan ka niya. Lagi na lang hindi mangyari-yari yung pag-improve ng connection nyo ng taong to. Kasi pwedeng hindi tamang sitwasyon sa ngayon. Okay? So, anong meron pagdating sa situation ninyo? Some of you, meron ditong younger. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. So, magkausap kayo. Pwede may communication sa inyo sa ngayon. Meron kayong komunikasyon. What's with this Ace of Swords? And the Four of Wands. Somebody. Meron ditong kasal. Ha? Okay, meron ditong kasal. Gusto mo ng connection, gusto mo, Cancer, ng long term. Okay? Gusto mo tong taong to, sa totoo lang. Parang siya na yung pinipili mo, siya na yung gusto mong makasama mo habang buhay, pero hindi pwede. Yeah, the Ten of Wands in reverse, the Sun in reverse. Lahat walang kasiguraduhan pagdating sa inyo. Pero ang sigurado lang dito is gusto mo tong taong to. Yun nakikita ko. Ayaw mong magkaroon ng miss opportunity. Ang tingin mo talaga sa kanya is siya na yung para sa'yo eh. Yun nga lang hindi tumutugma ang sitwasyon. Oh, sad. Let's see. Their emotion for you, Cancer. The Queen of Pentacles Universe, hindi sila maging available sa'yo. Hindi sila maging available. Like, 100%. Why? The Hermit in reversed. They can't. They can't. And alam mo yun. Aware ka dito. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Cups may involve. Pwede itong taong to may pamilya. May pamilya siya. Okay? So, hindi siya maging available sa'yo. Like, totally. Like, karelasyon. Hindi mo masabi. Kasi, yun nga, pwedeng may mga responsibilidad rin tong taong to. Pwedeng meron siyang ka-partner. Sa ngayon, meron siyang anak. Pwede, the Queen of Pentacles. What is their next action towards you, Cancer? Again, the Ten of Cups. Parang pinipili ka rin yan, no? What's with that Ten of Cups? Yeah. The King of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, there's conflicts. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. There's someone else here. There's this third party energy. Their next action is to provide something. Okay? Meron siya mga ipoprovide sa'yo. Pero hindi mo pa rin mararamdaman eh. Okay? Na parang siya talaga siya talaga is karelasyon mo. Okay? Pupunan nito. Pupunan niya. Okay? Kung ano man, something na pwede magpasaya sa'yo. Pero, yeah. Hindi siya available. Okay? Yeah, meron ditong someone involved. Meron ditong umaasa na may maayos, actually. Kung kayo naman is yung magkarelasyon talaga, mag-asawa. Okay? Meron dito nangihinayang, parang hindi na siya namamag-asa. Okay? Meron ditong hindi na namamag-asa. Kasi laging paulit-ulit, I think. Lagi na lang may false start dito. Situation sa ngayon, nakikita ko parang meron nang umaayos pagdating sa sitwasyon, pero there's this something na pwedeng nakatago pa rin eh. Somebody is wearing a mask. Okay? Somebody. Yeah. Meron ditong nagkukunwari. Meron nagtatago ng third party dito. Okay? Let's see. So, itong taong to, ipoprovide niya pa rin. Okay? Kung anong meron, pero andun pa rin yung something. Parang may kulang pa rin. Kahit sabihin natin pinoprovide na everything. Okay? So, anong outcome / advice for you, Cancer? The Knight of Swords. Communication. What's with this? The Six of Pentacles. Yeah, puro komunikasyon, oh. Knight of Swords, Six of Pentacles. This is forgiveness. Okay, this is forgiveness. And this is like energy of pakikipag-ayos, pakikipagbalikan rin. Pero yun nga meron ditong nakatago. Okay, may nakatago pa rin. Nakikita ko magbabalikan kayo, nakikita ko magiging okay kayo. Kung mag-asawa kayo, magiging okay kayo, pero nandun pa rin, may nakatago. Okay, sabi ko nga itong taong to pwedeng may facade, no? Wearing a mask. Okay? Pretending na okay na, pero there's this something hidden. May mga sikreto pa rin. Okay? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. The Devil in reverse. Yes. Meron ditong parang naka-hide. See, the Justice in reverse. Still, there's this drama. Yeah. Ano bang kailangan? Anong kailangan dito? Kasi hindi man pwedeng lagi lang, balikan. Mag-aayos. Pero nandun pa rin yung issue. The Nine of Swords in reverse, the Seven of Wands. Having limits. O siguro, kung may kapagbalikan, magkaroon ng limit. Okay? Magkaroon ng limit, wag nang balikan yung mga dating kinaugalian. Kung madalas nga kayo nagbabalikan, baliin mo na kung anong meron doon. Okay? Kung anong nakasanayan, alisin na. Okay? Here, the Ten of Wands in reverse. And syempre, kung kita nyo naman na parang paulit-ulit, huwag na magdalawang isip na i-drop na. Okay? Alam nyo naman to, daman nyo naman yan. Yeah. Hindi naman tayo palaging paulit-ulit na lang sa ganitong sitwasyon. Okay? May mga nakatago dito Yeah. Nandun uli. Sabihin natin, yes, nandyan ulit kayo. Magkasama ulit kayo. Magka-communicate ulit kayo. Pero, hindi pa rin maalis sa utak mo, or hindi pa rin maalis. Sabihin nating, napapansin mo. Wala ka namang mapapansin no? Kung sa tingin mo is tama na lahat. Okay? There's something odd here. May mali. Hindi mo mararamdaman yon kung hindi mo parang nasa-sense. Okay? I think this is your intuition telling you na there's something wrong still. Okay? Communicate. Communication, napaka-importante dito. Yeah. Clarity. Transparency. Okay? Ang daming 3. Okay, so it's up to you whether makipagbalikan or forgiveness. And hindi sinabing kapag nag-forgive ka, makipagbalikan ka. Okay? Kanya-kanya po. Okay? So there. So tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Cancer. Okay. Meron ditong hindi magandang pakiramdam. May nanonood ditong hindi magandang pakiramdam. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe they sure read. Okay? If you are. Oo. Medyo hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. So, Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget na mag-like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Aries. So, I think merong ipo-provide na sagot si Aries. Clarity maybe. They're sad. I think some of them, they're sad. They want to see you. Taurus. They're choosing to stay or to go back. They can't move on. Gemini. So, there's this, pa rin, wala pa rin ganun kagandang plano. Okay? Still, nandun pa rin siya sa kung anong meron siya. Okay? Kung magbabalik siya, ganun pa rin siya actually. Walang pinagbago. So, Cancer. So, there's this energy of new beginning. Okay, somebody wants to get your attention rin. Leo. You're very wish fulfillment. Yeah. Virgo, they want to come back. They want another chance. Libra, communication. Some of you, you'll get a message from this Libra. Scorpio, their back is turned. Okay, some of them. Iba naman sa kanila, gusto nila ng attention. That's why they're doing that. Stepping back. Okay. Sagittarius, they want relationship. The Sagittarius wants relationship with you. They want connection. If ever they want to reunite. Okay. Capricorn. There's no lies, okay, with this Capricorn. Aqua, they love you. They like you. Pisces, there's this new beginning. Okay, wanting a new beginning with you. Yeah, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.